I often get asked to explain peak penalties and peak charges as they appear on utility bills. And it actually took me a while to figure it out 5 years ago, but now I can firmly say I'm an expert in this. If you're a commercial user in the United States, for example in California, half of your bill in the summertime is a peak penalty. It has nothing to do with how much energy you've used, but rather with how fast you've used it. And so what the utility companies do is they can measure your consumption every 15 minutes. And they do that every 15 minutes of the month. And then they choose the 15-minute period where you've used the most energy. So where you've used energy the fastest rate. And they take that peak and they associate a penalty with it. And the penalty could range from $5-6 per kilowatt, which is a measure of how fast you're using energy, to $42 per kilowatt. Now, that's enough to be about half your bill in the summertime. So, for example, if you're a community college, you'd average around $200,000 a month in the summertime. Half of that would be a peak penalty that has nothing to do with actually how much energy you've used, but how fast you've used it. And if you look at what we call a load duration curve, which basically tells you how much time you've spent at every power level, you will see that you spend typically 1 or 2% at most at these peak levels, which cost you half your bill. But one of the things that the MelRok Energy Platform does is it allows you to pinpoint not only when you're about to hit a peak, but what are the systems within your building that are causing you to hit that peak and how to remedy the situation, and give you ample time to either manually avoid going through the peak, or if you allow the MelRok Energy Platform, it will automatically shut down load in a way to avoid that your building going through a peak and thus saving you money. For more information, you're welcome to visit www.melrok.com. Thank you.